If you're a beginner to AI automations or building no code, then you're probably watching a lot of these types of videos. And these are great. I've learned a lot from them myself as well, but they don't always help you figure out exactly how you can sell these to clients or make money. So what I want to do today is show you one particular template that you could use that would help you make money. This template here, it has had over 24,500 views, over 2,000 downloads, and it has an average of a 4.2 rating on over 285 reviews. Now, what this does is it automates scheduling of WhatsApp messages, and this is really, really powerful for businesses because a lot of businesses will collect phone numbers. And they'll get permission to send messages to their customers, but they never get around to actually doing it. And what this will do with n8n is it will allow for scheduled tasks with WhatsApp messages, which means that businesses can automate customer interactions on schedule, enhance efficiency by reducing manual messaging tasks, and this is going to help them to save time. But more than that, it's going to make sure we've got that consistent communication. And if we're consistently communicating with customers, then you're going to get more loyalty. I'll give you an example. I use a company to clean my oven. I like to get it done in the winter just before Christmas, before you start, cooking the turkey or whatever like that. And they always text me. They text me every 6 months to say, do you want to clean? Then if I'm like, no, could you text me this month? They always text back on that particular month. And that's what makes me use their service all the time, is the fact that I get this little WhatsApp message that comes through and I can then have a conversation and say, no, not now, or yes, this date. And this can be automated with n8n and WhatsApp. So this is beneficial for any business that relies on WhatsApp or should be relying on WhatsApp. And that could be any local business, but it can also be companies that have a customer support team. So larger businesses that do a lot of their customer support through text message. And what this n8n workflow is going to do, and by the way, you're getting the template. You don't have to build this from scratch. I'll show you where you can get the template in a bit. It's going to allow you to schedule messages so you can automate them. So once a month, you can sit down, decide what your offers you've got on, what you want to mark on the calendar, and then you can schedule it all. Integrates with WhatsApp. So if a business already has a database of phone numbers, then they can contact them, the customers, on WhatsApp. We can customize this, and I'll put a video at the end of this one that shows you how you get Claude to actually customize this. So if you're not that confident yet with your building skills, Claude can do it for you. And it's got built-in error handling as well. So if we have failed messages, then we have backups that we can follow with this. But this is going to save time for a marketing team or a customer service team or for a local business. It's going to mean that the business is consistently in front of customers, which is going to help with retention and getting them more business. It's scalable, so that as a business needs grow, then we can adjust this workflow. And like I said, Claude can do that for you, and I'll give you the video to that in a second. And it's going to reduce errors. So things like typos and stuff like that, they're not going to be there. So any business that needs to send out appointment reminders, like a local business, or maybe they want to send out discount reminders, marketing campaigns, anyone with customer support, they can all benefit from this workflow. And as we have seen on this website, this template is getting a lot of love. So the link to this is down in the description. Download it, put it in n8n, and have a go at it, test it out, and then go to whatever kind of business you want to work with and start showing them this and selling them. Now, if you got value from this, then I just ask for 20 seconds of your time to tell you about my newsletter. Once a week, I share a workflow just like this. I tell you exactly how you could use it to start a business, and I give you the outreach strategy that I would use as well to get your first clients. So if we feature this one in the newsletter, you get 3 different ways that you could actually turn it into a business, and the client outreach strategy that I would use for this particular workflow. It goes out once a week. It's completely free. The link is down in the description with the link to this automation as well. Subscribe to that and feel free to reply to it and let me know what you think about it. Here now on the screen is the video I said about how you can edit these workflows in Claude, and I'll see you in the next one.